Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best CapCut expert settings for Instagram Reels in 4K easy tutorial. So if you're creating content for Instagram Reels and want your videos to look sharp, professional, and crystal clear, then this tutorial is for you. So for the first step in here is just open your project in CapCut. So just launch the CapCut application and make sure that your video is fully edited and ready to export. So before exporting, you could also try to adjust the sharpness for better clarity. So a touch of sharpening makes your video look crisper on mobile screens, perfect for Instagram's vertical format. So that is one step that you could do before exporting. And for the main part here, so just click onto the export button here onto the upper part, and we need to adjust the settings as follows. So here, you could rename this and choose the file location. But to have a better quality in here, we have the settings under here, under video. So for resolution, so if your original footage was filmed in 1080p, then choose 1080p. But if it is filmed in 4K, then you could choose 4K to preserve the quality for that. Then right after is to set the frame rate here. So we have frame rate here, and you could go ahead and adjust this to 30 FPS or frames per second. So this is a smooth and well suited for Instagram Reels without overloading the file. And another thing that we could adjust is the bitrate. So you need to maximize this or increase it to the highest option available. So this will ensure maximum video quality and prevents Instagram from overly compressing your upload. So just click onto this and let's try to see. So we have higher here. Let's choose that option. And then right after, your video is now ready to export. So after applying all of those settings, just go ahead and click on export here onto the bottom part and just wait for your render to finish. And that is just basically it. Your video is now optimized for Instagram Reels in top quality. So just final tips for Reel success, you could always shoot in vertical aspect ratio, keep your videos under 90 seconds to match Reels requirements, and avoid placing important text near the edges. Instagram may crop it in preview. And that is just basically it. If you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share with our viewers. Thank you very much for watching and happy editing.